Hey everyone, pardon me. Welcome to another installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and we are, whoops, there we go. We are picking up the red spoon once again as we are making our way through Dairy Queen's all-new summertime blizzard menu. And this is a favorite of mine. This is a dirt pie blizzard, Oreo dirt pie. Dirt pie, of course, is a classic of get-togethers. If you've ever seen the profile picture of this channel, my face with all that chocolate on it, it actually came from like a dirt pie that was served at a graduation party I went to, gosh, almost 10 years ago. I was practically a fat boy instead of a fat guy. But anyway, in that spirit, let's go ahead and try out this dirt pie blizzard. I'm gonna give you a little look-see first. Look at that. So we got some Oreo chunks here, and then if you can see that little thing right there, that is a gummy worm. So I actually had one of these yesterday, but I believe it didn't have the gummy worms in it, so I wanted to give it an honest try. And, you know, that includes having the worm in it. That's the most important part. What good is dirt without a worm? So, anyway, let's go ahead and give this its first bite here. Oh. Wow. The worm definitely makes a difference to it. Tequila and dirt pie, both good with worms, or so I've heard. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna shut up and have some more ice cream. See, it's very interesting. There's a lot going on with this blizzard, maybe more so than any other blizzard I've had before, because obviously you got the ice cream, cold, sweet chocolate ice cream. You got the crunch of the Oreos and all the flavor that comes with that creaminess to it. And then the gummy worms is like a chewy, definitely kind of a fruity taste to it. So it's more than any other blizzard I've had possibly ever. It's like a fine patchwork of textures and flavors all rolled into one delicious cup. So one more taste right here. Give it another taste here. You know what? I gotta say, I really like it. It's a very busy blizzard. This might be the most unique blizzard that I've ever had here. There's a lot to like about it. If you like Oreos and gummy worms, then by all means give it a try. Actually, went out with a buddy to get Dairy Queen last night, and he said that the one thing that kept him from trying this was the gummy worm. So if you're not a gummy fan, I would say this might not be the blizzard for you. Probably stick with a regular Oreo blizzard, or there's plenty of other chocolatey blizzards if you're looking for things more up your alley that way. But if you're willing to try something that is just a great amalgam of flavors and textures, I gotta recommend the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Thumbs up. This was definitely the one that caught my eye when I first saw the new Blizzard menu, and it's happy to say that it has more than lived up to the hype. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Fat Guy Tries with yet another Dairy Queen Summer Blizzard. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to try the next one, and I can't wait to finish this one. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.